Hello friends, welcome back. Today I like to share one question with solution of Chinese Olympiad maths. How many zeros are there at the end of 3 factorial, factorial, factorial? So let us recall what is a factorial. Factorial means n, factorial means multiplying 1, 2, 3 or product of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. So 3 factorial means multiplying 3, 2 and 1, that is equal to 6. So 3 factorial is same as your 6 factorial. Again 6 factorial will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this will be 720. So 3 factorial is nothing but your 720 factorial. Now after simplifying, then you will go to the concept how many zeros are there in n factorial. So I am writing the result. I am not mentioning the theorem or proving theorem. The concept is here, or the fact we have to take, that the number of zeros at the end of n factorial is equal to integer part of n by 5, which is the highest power of 10, then integer part of or whole number of n 5 square plus n 5 cube, so on till it is becomes 0. So here the answer will be 720, 5, 720, 5 square 25. I am taking only the integer part or the quotient only. Next is 720 divided by 5 cube, this is 125. Next is 720 over 625, and next number will get 0, so I am not going further. So 720 divided by 5 is 144. 720 divided by 25 is your, let us divide here, 720 divided by 25, 250, 220, so this will be 8. So this will be 28. Next number will be 720 divided by 125. Certainly it will be 5 plus this one will be, quotient will be 1. I am taking the only integer part, not this decimal. So now add them. 8, 2, 7, 1. So let us write the statement. So the number of zeros at the end of is 178. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Please keep on watching. Thank you. Please like and share.